I'm Kirk Goebel. I'm ag instructor here at Aims Community College. Many people think of agriculture as just farming, but in fact there are many more jobs associated with agriculture in soil science, in precision agriculture, all sorts of things that are not directly farming. Some of the skills and topics that we will cover in our program would be identifying crops and their seeds, identifying weeds and how to control them, learning about various tillage systems, irrigation systems. Soil is not dirt, and soil is very much alive. We also address the concept of soil health and sustainability. With over 7 billion people on the planet now and quickly headed toward 9 billion, we have the task of ensuring that those people are fed, and good, sustainable, healthy soil is the one thing that can do it. In our ag program, about 80 to 85% of our students are transfer students who are going to complete their first 2 years and then move on to a 4-year institution. The ability of them to do that with smaller class sizes and at a very affordable rate is one of the real advantages of Aims. We feel like we have a very dedicated and enthusiastic ag faculty here. Everyone is really backgrounded in their subject matter and they have a passion for teaching. Just a very cohesive, talented team of professionals for our staff here. Because we develop good relationships with our students, it's really gratifying when they graduate and get back in touch with us, particularly when they have transferred, to tell us how much farther ahead they were in their classes because of their time at Aims. If you have a passion for agriculture, the Ag Department at Aims Community College is the best place for you to start.